Welcome to the Telium Challenge series. In this video, we will be looking at how you can easily supercharge your email marketing tool with rich data from across your organization in real time. Before we do that, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ben Kennedy, and I'm a solution consultant at Telium. There's no denying that email is a really powerful tool to nurture, retarget, and ultimately help convert your customers. One common challenge we help solve for our customers is written out here on the screen. It hinges on the fact that email marketing is only as effective as the data used to target your customers. Having access to the right data about your customers at the right time is not always easy to achieve with your email marketing tool though. Many email tools have basic page tracking information available to them coming from your website. And sometimes complex segmentation involving multiple data sources can take up to 2, 3, or 4 hours or even a day to be ready for use in your email campaigns. Obviously, every minute that passes, the likelihood the customer will purchase from a competitor or decide not to purchase at all will increase. But by using Telium, you can supercharge your email marketing tool with rich data coming from anywhere in your business, all available in real time. This fills any data blind spots that exist and improves the effectiveness of your segmentation in your email channel. Now let's have a look at how Telium can solve this challenge. The techniques we will use to solve this challenge are listed here. Firstly, Telium is going to listen to every event and customer interaction from any of your offline and online data sources, like your website, mobile app, or even point of sale in store. Telium doesn't just collect and categorize your data though. It also allows you to enrich and create new data points about customers, such as badges. These badges are used to create always-on audiences of your customers. For example, VIP customers who do not purchase and abandon the cart at the end of their visit. These audiences, along with any associated product information, are sent in real time to your email vendor via our connector marketplace immediately. Let's have a look at a demo of this setup. The Telium Universal Data Hub collects all your first-party data in one central place. On the home page here, we can see a live data feed from your website, app, and offline sources. All of these data points can be used in any of your marketing campaigns, as well as being made available for you to stream out into your data warehouse or data lake for further analysis. An attribute is the building block of your segmentation strategy. Telium doesn't just simply collect and categorize your data though, like a DMP. It also allows you to enrich and calculate new data points about your customers. A badge is a type of attribute that can be assigned or removed from a customer when they perform an event or action across any of your channels. So in our example, we have a badge here called Cart Abandoner. This badge is assigned to customers when the following conditions are met. They have abandoned the cart at the end of their visit, they have no order ID at the end of their visit, and they also have an email address stored against their visitor profile. This badge will also be removed the next time this visitor comes back to the website. This avoids us from miscommunicating with them and optimizing our marketing spend across our different channels. We also have a whole bunch of other attributes Telium can use to create always-on audiences. Now let's look at the audience lists. We have an audience here for VIP cart abandoners, and you can see it's made up using the following criteria. First of all, the VIP badge needs to have been assigned to a user. The VIP attribute is calculated using data from online and offline sources. Offline data from your point of sale system, CRM, or data warehouse can be ingested and then matched with online data collected in real time. This gives you a holistic view of your customer's lifetime value across channels and helps you more accurately segment your customers. Second, they also need to have the Cart Abandoner badge assigned. And the third and final part of our criteria is checking that the cart value is greater than £100. We could also add other conditions in here to make our segmentation even more targeted. So our audience is set up. Now linked to our audience we also have a set of actions. Now I've added one action here, which is an email action that's going to take place, and it's going to add subscribers to a visitor list inside of MailChimp. if I click into this, we can see here how the list has been made up, how this action has been made up. First, we give it a nice name so we can identify it. We select our source, so this is the source audience that we're going to use. So in this case, we're using VIP cart abandoners. We can add these customers to a specific list inside of the email vendor. In this case, we have a target subscriber list called cart abandoners. But what we can do here is select any of the lists that we have available inside of our email tool. We can also map certain data points that Telium is collecting directly into this email vendor. So here we're just going to select email address and pass that through. And we can also push other pieces of information, such as the products that are in the customer's cart at the end of their visit, into a specific attribute inside of the email vendor. And then finally, we just choose when we want to fire this audience off. So in this case, we're going to fire the audience at the end of the visit, but we could always delay this for 1 hour, 2 hours, or even a number of days if needed. Now I selected MailChimp there, but we also have a whole connector marketplace which spans not just email vendors but also other marketing channels. As you can see here, we've got up to 17 different email marketing vendors that we would integrate with out of the box and perform various actions on those connectors in real time. We also have the ability to use a webhook to make a custom request to any vendor, not just email, but any other vendor that you might want to integrate with as well. So as you can imagine, there are many more challenges that Telium can solve by enriching data in real time. We could trigger an email to customers who haven't used your app in the last 30 days. We could suppress customers who transact offline from your Google AdWords campaigns. And we could also track customers who do not complete an application form online and retarget them via Facebook or Instagram. If you'd like to suggest a challenge you want us to solve, or want to check more videos in this series, then please visit us at telium.com/challenge. Thanks for watching.